Welcome to Doodles, presented by the Mesquite Arts Council. I'm your host and instructor, Joe Cadena, and it's Memorial Day. For those of you who don't know, Memorial Day, originally known as Decoration Day, is a United States federal holiday for mourning the U.S. military personnel who have died while serving the United States Armed Forces. Popular ways to celebrate Memorial Day are attending a memorial ceremony, visiting the gravesite of a fallen veteran, attending a community-planned Memorial Day event, or, our subject for today, a favorite of my favorite two veterans, throwing a Memorial Day barbecue. Just a reminder that the Mesquite Arts Center will be closed on Monday, May 30th in observance of Memorial Day. We hope you have a safe holiday. When we return, it'll be the first week of summer break. We would like to make sure that each and every one of you knows that Mesquite Arts Center will continue its Tote and Go art pickup services through the summer. This June, we will offer items that celebrate camp, National Donut Day, Father's Day, National Giraffe Day, and 4th of July. Always available on Mondays at 12 p.m., children do not need to be present. In June, we will celebrate and educate you on a variety of musical genres. For our virtual programming, we would like to welcome celebrity DJ Leo J. He will educate you on the history of music as it relates to the hip-hop scene. This will happen on June 1st and can be viewed on our YouTube channel at any time. While we're on the topic of music, Mesquite Arts Center has many different concert series available this June for your enjoyment. Thursday, June 2nd will feature Allie Holder inside our courtyard space. This will be part of our courtyard concert series. Also, every Monday in June, we will host jazz breaks and Mesquite Community Band's Music in the Park inside the courtyard area. All events will be hosted at 7 p.m. If you're a lover of sitting in your truck while a concert is playing, then join us for Mesquite Rocks. This event is on Thursday, June 16th on the outside perimeter of the Mesquite Arts Center. On this date, we will welcome the Graceland Ninjas. Finally, if Mondays and Thursdays aren't enough, we encourage you to go to Downtown Mesquite's new concert series called Off the Rails, a Front Street Station Music Festival. This is a collaboration with the Mesquite Arts Council and the City of Mesquite. Entertaining you every Saturday in June and July at 6 p.m. Learn more on our website. Well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you learned how to draw a hamburger in a grill, because that's what I drew. Well, next episode will be a 4th of July episode. another American holiday centered around barbecues, but I'll try to think of something a little bit different. Anyway, Texas is heating up. Everybody stay cool, stay safe, hydrate. See you next time.